Hey everyone, so I have not gotten braids or twists in such a very long time. This was actually supposed to be my labor hair, and I'm 6 weeks postpartum and I just now got this style in. I mean, what is life? I did these over the course of like 3 days because I have a newborn and a toddler, and times is hard, okay? I had to get it in where I could fit it in. But collectively, the amount of hours it took me, I would say like 5 to 6. I don't really know, like, if these are passion twist, Havana twist, whatever twist. I've been liking this style. I wanted to try it on myself. So whatever kind of twist these are, here's the tutorial on how I did them on myself. So real quick, I'm just going to get into what I used during this tutorial. So I used this FreeTress Water Wave, 22 inches. Those were like $5.99 a pack at my local beauty supply store. I used 6.5 packs. I bought 8 just based off of what I've seen on other people's channel, but I didn't need 8. I just used about 6.5. These are like medium size. I also used this 24-hour edge tamer by Ebin, New York, to lay the edges, and then I used my rice water mix to moisturize my hair before I did the twist.
So I left out a couple of sections just for the purpose of this video for demonstration. First thing I'm going to do is start off with 2 strands of the hair, one of each color, and then I'm going to kind of line them up and try to get the curls on each strand to align with each other. I feel that the twists turn out neater when I do this, and then I'm just going to begin to fluff them out, kind of brush them out with my fingers. Then I'm going to prep my hair with the edge control so that it is nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to begin by braiding the weave in with my real hair. The only thing that I do that is particular on this part is that I don't grab all of my hair at once when I'm braiding it in. I grab it in pieces, kind of like the start of a cornrow or a French braid, just because I feel like it is a little bit more secure that way, and it's easier for me if I'm braiding my own hair to make sure it's tight and neat by braiding this way. Then I'm just going to braid a little bit further to make sure the start of the twist is secure. Then you can see me kind of separating the hair into just 2 pieces, and I'm going to begin the twist. So the technique for this part is that I twist the hair as I am twisting it. I'm going to slow this down so you can see how I am doing my fingers for the technique of the twist. Doing this technique will help your twist come out neater. It will kind of help your hair blend in with the twist better, and just it's all around going to make your twist last longer. Once I get to the end of the twist where my hair no longer is, I use a looser hand to twist, but I twist all the way to the end, and then as you can see, this is the end result of that twist. And it's really just as simple as that. That is it. There's nothing special to it, and there's nothing to it but to do it. So I'm just going to show y'all one more just because I like y'all so much. So we're going to start off with a braid. Like I told you before, I like to kind of do like a French braid method type of braid. If you have a hard time braiding or gripping, I would use the rubber band method if I were you. And then we're just going to go right back into the twisting. Just be sure that especially once you've stopped the braid that you twist very tightly, or you'll be able to really tell where the braid and the twist end, especially since this hair is so curly. And then you're just going to continue twisting your fingers, especially as long as you can see your own hair. And then once your own hair has ended, you can just kind of begin to twist more loosely, because the weave of the hair is kind of going to look good and blend with itself regardless. And that's it. That completes the tutorial on how I did these twists. If you have any questions about anything that I left out, please feel free to ask me down below, and I will answer in the best way that I can. I love this look. I've so missed braids on myself. I'm going to try to do them a little bit more often, but other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful to somebody, and until next time.